Ever wondered how to tackle those pesky acne and acne scars that seem to linger just a little too long? Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving deep into a simple 7-day routine that could be the key to unlocking that clear, radiant skin you've been dreaming of, all from the comfort of home. Our first stop is the kitchen, where we find lemons and honey, two powerhouse ingredients. Citric acid from lemons acts as a natural exfoliant, unclogging pores and lightening dark spots, while the antibacterial and soothing properties of honey make it a skin savior. Applied to the skin with a cotton ball and rinsed off, these ingredients can work wonders. Next up, a DIY face mask. Combining 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder creates a potent mix that targets both acne and scars. Apply the mask, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off. A good skincare routine is key. Start with a gentle cleanser, move on to these DIY treatments, and finish with a lightweight moisturizer to lock in hydration. Don't forget to apply a moisturizer with SPF in the morning to protect from harmful UV rays. But skincare doesn't stop at the surface. Drinking plenty of water, maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and managing stress levels can all contribute to the health of your skin. So there it is, a comprehensive guide to achieving clear, radiant skin in just 7 days using simple home ingredients. Remember, it takes dedication and the right routine, but the results are worth it. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and embrace your natural beauty. Goodbye for now.